Understanding Proof the Yeast, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, proof the yeast. This phrase is commonly used in cooking and baking. If you're keen on learning English, especially terms used in the kitchen, this video is for you. Let's dive into what it means to proof the yeast and how it's used in everyday language. Proof the yeast is a phrase used in baking. It refers to the process of dissolving yeast in warm water, often with a bit of sugar, to check if it is still active before using it in a recipe. The term proof, in this context, means to test. When yeast is active, it will form bubbles or foam, indicating that it is ready to be used to leaven bread or other baked goods. Proofing yeast is a crucial step in baking. It ensures that the yeast is alive and active, which is essential for the dough to rise. If the yeast does not bubble or foam, it means that it's no longer good, and your dough will not rise. Understanding this process is key for anyone interested in baking and using yeast in recipes. 1. Warm water. Start by warming some water. The temperature should be around 110 degrees Fahrenheit, 45 degrees Celsius, not too hot or too cold. 2. Dissolve yeast. Sprinkle the yeast into the water. 3. Add sugar. Add a small amount of sugar to feed the yeast. 4. Wait. Let the mixture sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. 5. Check for activity. Look for bubbles or foam, which indicate the yeast is active. Overheating water. Water that's too hot can kill the yeast. Not waiting long enough. Give the yeast enough time to activate. Freshness of yeast. Always check the expiration date on the yeast package. That's all about proof the yeast. I hope this video has helped you understand this important baking term and its significance in the kitchen. Happy baking, and see you in the next video.